Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Techoverdose, another YouTube video. In this, let's check out few cases you can get for your Honor 7X. These are the few cases which I have got here. 3 of them are of same type, that is hard polycarbonate case sent by Fortify, and one more, the carbon fiber rut case which I have got from Amazon. Now as there's the soft silicone transparent case pre-included in the box, I didn't find much cases available on Amazon. And maybe that is the reason why Fortify is also selling only same type hard cases of different colors. Now speaking about this case which comes inside the box, it fits perfectly on the phone and also feels very safe in hands. You can see here it is also compatible with the screen protector which I have applied. This one is the IMAK tempered glass. You can buy it from the link in the description box. And if required, refer to my old video for tutorial on how to apply it correctly on the phone. Finally, a very good case is included by Huawei inside the box. Unless you want to spend few extra bucks to get other thin good looking cases, you can surely use this transparent one. Now moving on to the next one. This one is very thin hard polycarbonate case made of high quality materials. Let me pop the device and show it to you guys. See, this case fits tightly, but this red one doesn't suit the blue color Honor 7X. If you have got a black or the gold one, then I would suggest you to get this red color case. All the openings for sensors and ports are intact. Moving on, let's check out the next color we have got here. Okay. This one is the same type black polycarbonate case. Now if you are regretting of getting a blue color Honor 7X and feel like you should have got a black color one, then this case is perfect for you. As you can see, after putting this case, hardly you can see the blue color. Even on sides it is completely covered, and from front we can't even say that it's a blue color Honor 7X. Okay, now let's move on to the next perfect color for the blue color Honor 7X. If you love blue color, then you can go for this. It is slightly light compared to the phone color, but looks premium because of the high quality materials. You can also see here on sides, it is hard to tell that I am using a case on the phone. It feels like it is the part of the phone itself. That's it. These are the thin hard polycarbonate cases. Few more colors might be available other than these 3. Go ahead and check it out from the link in the description box below. Finally, one last soft case which I have got here is the carbon fiber design case, which is very popular. This one is available for as low as 200 bucks on Amazon, so can't expect anything more than this. The cuttings and quality isn't that great, but again, considering its price, can't complain. So that's it guys. If you liked my video, then do hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to Techoverdose for more videos like this. Also comment down below which case you will get for your Honor 7X, and any other good cases you have to suggest, you can do that in the comment section below. That's it for today. Until next time, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.